In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write on text effect in DaVinci Resolve. This effect makes your text look like it's being written on the screen in real time, and it's quick to set up. Start by opening the DaVinci Resolve app and heading to your editing workspace. If you already have a text clip in your timeline, select it so we're working on the right layer. If not, no worries, you'll add one in a moment. With your timeline active, make sure the effects tab is visible so you can browse the effects library. From there, find the titles section and drag a text plus title into your timeline. Text Plus is important here because it includes the write-on controls we need. Once the Text Plus clip is in place, click to select it. Next, open the inspector. This is where you'll type your message and customize its look. In the text field, enter what you want to appear on screen. Feel free to adjust font, size, and styling until it matches your project. Keeping the text a bit larger and with clear spacing can make the write-on effect easier to read. Now let's animate it. Move the playhead to the very start of your Text Plus clip. In the inspector settings for the text plus title, locate the write-on controls. We'll use the end control to reveal the text from left to right. Click the keyframe diamond next to end to enable keyframing, then drag the end slider all the way down to 0. At this point, the text should be fully hidden at the start of the clip. Move forward in the timeline to where you want the writing to finish. This could be a second or two later, depending on the pace you want. With the playhead parked there, drag the end slider back up to 1. Resolve automatically adds a second keyframe, creating a smooth write-on animation between those 2 points. Press play to preview. If it writes too fast or too slow, simply reposition the second keyframe by moving the playhead and resetting the end value, or trim the clip's length to fine-tune the timing. For projects that need extra control and compositing flexibility, you can also create a Fusion composition and head to the Fusion tab. This approach opens the door for advanced stylization and precise control over how the effect interacts with other elements. That's it, the write-on text effect, clean and ready to go. Save your project, adjust timing as needed, and you're set.